I'm just fooling around. Welcome to Mike Noah's channel with another episode of Dickin' Around in the Shed. We dicking around with the Spyder again. No, it's not broke down. I was just testing my jig. I had I'll build another one of them. Run that intro. We'll get into it. So, yeah, what I was saying is, I need to check that. Well, it wasn't saying that, but I need to. I think her backrest nuts are getting loose or something. But anyway, let's go do something. I just thought I'd show you how I finished up the terrace, rose bush terrace. I made 3 more pegs so it won't turn, and then I added some more rebar up here at the top. Yeah, and the lights. I forgot about the lights. I put the lights on so yeah, it lights up at night. Yeah. So it sets up higher and it's more fuller. Looked like it had a thunderstorm roll through. Yep. Yeah, it ain't. The light's on. It's dark, and it's 10:30. It's raining. Yeah, I hope you. I didn't know why I didn't show y'all that last week. Yes, yeah, last week, because that was a week before I did that. It's raining. So the jig's up. The jig's up. Yeah, the jig was up, but now it's back down. So yeah, that's the jig I was using, and it almost that much worked. The problem was probably not with that jig here, this jig here, but more with this jig here. What is that? What is that? Oh, a bug. I worked out here last night about 10 o'clock. So the problem was with this was not letting. I'll show you when I get around there. That well turned out pretty good. This well not so much, but that's what the grinder's for. Yeah. Yeah, you know what they say. If grinders and paint make the welder you ain't. Grinders and paint make the welder you ain't. But you know, the table works out real good. So yeah. That helps. So helps. It don't. What is that one? But it helps. You need a screwdriver because it helps. That was a guy on Instagram. I don't know why it just popped in my head. So let's double check what I did. Yeah, I'll show you. Man, oh man, I don't know. We're gonna have to wait till it stops raining. It is raining outside. Enough about that, it ain't waterproof. Well, let's time out. We'll get back to you when we get back to Well, hello, welcome back again. Hope you enjoyed the little time out. Well, it's come along nicely. I still got a lot more cleaning up to do because that jig right here didn't work out pretty good. So I just kind of eyeball it. I mean, it helps some, this part lining up, and I think I've got it pretty much, but I still like to put it on the bike, check it out, make sure everything's gonna line up good. But I need to fix that seat right quick, you know, just double check it. So let me do that. Well, first thing you need to do is clean out a space so you can work, you know what I mean, Vern? Know what I mean, Vern? I got the key in here. Let's pop this long one there, and you can reach up under here. Let me see, what good place to set you. You can reach under the seat, and there's two little tabs. You can find them. You can push it up, and then that pops off. That's how you see those tabs right there. You just push them back a little bit, and yeah. So here's the boat. I guess it's not. I think it could be. Ah, I see, said the blind man. I see what happened. Let me shoot you, get in here. That's supposed to be two boats right here. Other one's right there, and I can't get it with my. I need something like with real needle nose. Oh, I need a nose pliers. That would work. I happen to have some right over here. What did I do it? Oh, right there. I was using them. I need a belt. What I need. All right, so you take these are some curved little needle nose. You sit down. You pick up your screw. But I can't. Aha. Like playing Operation. If you wasn't born in Generation X, you wouldn't. In the 70s, early 80s, you wouldn't know what Operation was. There you go. Now it won't teeter-totter back and forth. Happy life, happy life, right? But you know what I mean? You know what I mean, Barn? Testing. Hello. Audio. Yep, you working. So to put the seat back on, first thing you're gonna do is take this off again. What we just fixed. Take your big old fat bottom girl seat right here. That's for them fat bottom girls. And you just slide it back in there. And the notch. Uh-oh, I missed it. God dog it. Got it. And then you take, and that should just, there you go. Now it don't teeter-totter back and forth. You don't like teeter-totter. Well, we're good to go. Well, I gotta put her bumper back on and go to town. Well, I hope you enjoyed that episode of dicking around in the shed. It's hard to come up with projects when you don't have no money to buy projects with. Life is like a box of chocolates, and then you don't have no money after you buy the chocolate. Yeah, you know what I'm saying, FJB. go check out that video right about there. That one right there. And hit the subscribe button up here. And we'll see you next week. Well, we'll probably see you Friday. Won't see you Friday, but yeah, you know what I'm saying. Later.